Hello, teacher.
Wow, hello, Mia. Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Happy Thursday.
Happy birthday, teacher.
Yes, let me show this to you first, Mia. For you, Mia. Happy Thursday to you. Okay. All right. So, yes, Mia, how are you today?
Today I'm okay.
You're okay. All right. Did you wake up early, Mia?
Not really early.
Not really early. Okay. What time did you wake up?
8, 8
Mm-hmm.
o'clock.
8 o'clock. Yes. Okay. Can you make a sentence, Mia? What time did you wake up? I woke up. Can you say it? I
I
woke
woke
up
I
at
woke 8.
8 o'clock. Yes. Okay. I woke up at 8 o'clock, right? Okay. So, what did you do when you wake up? What did you do when you wake up? Did you eat dinner? Sorry again. Breakfast. Take two. Did you eat breakfast? Did you wash your face? Did you
I
tidy
brushed my
your room? You washed your face. Yes. Okay.
I brushed
Uh,
my teeth
you
and
okay? I brushed my teeth and washed my face. Right, Mia? Okay, that's nice. Okay, so did you eat breakfast, Mia?
yes.
You did. Okay. Complete sentence. Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
All right. What did you eat for breakfast, Mia?
Stick sticky rice.
Sticky rice. Wow, sounds delicious. Sticky rice. What did you eat it with, Mia? Sticky rice. And that's all? Yes?
Chicken.
Mm,
Chicken.
I don't understand. Sticky rice
Pork.
and
Chicken.
chicken. Chicken. Sticky rice and chicken, right? Okay, make a sentence again, Mia. You say, I had sticky rice
Well,
and
chicken.
for breakfast, right? Okay. How does sticky rice taste? Does it taste sweet, Mia? Not really. Is it sweet?
Not very sweet. Not very sweet.
Ah, because in
Yummy.
the Philippines, our sticky rice are usually sweet. Okay. It has sugar and coconut milk. All right. That's why our sticky rice dishes are sweet. Sticky rice dishes are usually a dessert. Okay, Mia? Yes? All right. Okay, so what are you going to do today, Mia? I know that you have no school. It's vacation, right? What are you going to do today, this afternoon?
Yes,
Mhm.
I just read my books in my room.
Okay. You will
I
just
turn on
read.
the air conditioner and turn on the air conditioner.
Wow. Okay. So that it won't be hot, right, Mia? You will read some books and turn on the air conditioner in your room so you won't be hot, so you will feel comfortable, right, Mia? Yes? Wow. So cute. Okay. So yes, Mia, that's it. Oh, by the way, we have class today. Friday, Saturday, and Monday, right? So we have four classes in a week, right, Mia? Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. How do you feel about it, Mia? Will it be tiring for you? Oh, you feel happy about it. Okay, say it. I feel happy
I feel
about
happy
it.
about it.
Yes, me too, because I will like always see you often, right, Mia? Yes?
You will,
Mm-hmm. Hmm?
teacher, you will usually see me.
I will always see you. You're right. Almost a week, 4 times a week, right? Yes. Okay, I'm happy to hear that, Mia. Okay, that's it for the free talk. Let us now start with our lesson.
This
Today, we are going to study a new book. It's called Right, Right
I
to. Right, Right to. Let me just show to you, Mia. This is how it looks like. Do you have a copy of this book, Mia? Yes?
yes.
Wow, thank you, Mommy, for printing out Mia's book. All right, so Mia, we are going to start with the first unit. Let me upload Mia. Wait a minute. Okay, there you go. So, unit 1 is entitled, please read, Mia.
One pizza is delicious.
Oh, wow. Do you agree pizza is delicious, Mia?
Yes.
Yes, I do agree. Yes, I do. Complete sentence. Do you
Yes.
agree?
Yes, I do.
I do. Okay, so in this activity or in this lesson, Mia, you are going to write about your favorite food. Okay? All right. Okay, so let us do warm up first. We are going to read, Mia, what we have in the picture. By the way, what can you see in the picture, Mia? I
I could
see.
see.
I can see.
I can see food and a little girl.
And a little girl. How about different food? Okay. From of different countries, right, Mia? Okay, wait a minute. Teacher is typing. Different food. Should I say from different countries, right?
Yes.
Okay. One more time, Mia. What can you see in the picture? Please read. I can see.
I can see different foods from different countries.
Okay. All right. Good job, Mia. So now let us continue reading, Mia, the kinds of food here. Different kinds of food here. Okay. So let's read, Mia. First one. Say,
Chinese,
yeah. It's
sweet and sour pork.
all right. Next one.
Korean,
Yeah. It's
bulgogi.
bulgogi. Yeah. Next one.
American,
Uh-huh.
hamburger.
Hamburger. Next one.
Indian,
Indian.
curry.
Curry, right.
Mexican,
Uh-huh.
taco.
Taco, right. Next.
French, croissant.
Yeah, you know what? They say croissant. Qua.
Croissant.
Yeah, it sounds like croissant. 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 All right, croissant. Something like that. Next, Mia, how about this?
And it, Italian,
Yeah.
pizza.
Pizza. All right, pizza. Can you say it again? Okay, sounds like this, Mia.
Pizza,
Pizza. Sa.
pizza.
Yes, pizza. Next one.
Japanese,
Right.
sushi.
Sushi. Okay. All right. Mia, what do you think is the most delicious food here? I think. What do you think?
I think the most delicious food here is pizza.
Pizza. I agree with you too, Mia. Pizza, hamburger,
Ham,
and
ham,
hamburger and sweet and sour pork. All right, Mia? Okay, I guess. For me,
pizza.
yes.
I I have another food I like from is from Korean is
Oh,
bibimbap.
is from Korea. It's called
Kimbap.
oh, kimbap. Yeah, kimbap. Kimbap. Yeah, that is like those uh rice rolls, right, Mia? Yes? Oh, where did you eat kimbap? Where did you
It
eat it?
is in a restaurant.
In a Korean restaurant, right? Okay. Yeah. Korean seaweed rice roll filled with vegetables and meat, right? Yeah. Oh, I love this. I love this too. It is also one of my favorite Korean food. Okay. Yeah. So you call it one more time, Mia? Kimbap.
Kimbap. Kimbap.
Yeah, kimbap. All right. Okay. So you know what? It means kim is seaweed, paper, Mia. Okay. Plus and rice. Bap is
Seafood.
mm, and rice. Bap in Korean is rice. Okay. All right, Mia. Do you understand? That's why it's called kimbap. It's seaweed with rice. It is Korean seaweed rice roll filled with many ingredients and rice. Okay, Mia? It is a meal on the go. All right, Mia? Yes? Okay, there you go, Mia. Uh, Next, let us have the next part. Let's talk about your favorite food. What is your favorite food, Mia?
Pizza.
Okay, let's make a sentence. My favorite
My favorite
food
food is
is
pizza. Pizza.
pizza. Now, how often do you eat it?
When my mom and my dad said so.
Like, for example, in a month, once a month, two times a month, what? Always? Seldom? What?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Sometimes, yes? Okay. I see. All right. I sometimes eat pizza, right? Yes. Okay, there you go. Me too. Me too, Mia. I sometimes eat pizza. Okay? Yeah. When I can buy pizza, I eat pizza. When I can buy. Okay? All right. Okay, let's read your answers one more time. What is your favorite food? Please read.
My favorite food is pizza.
And how often do you eat it?
When my mom and my and me sometimes.
Okay.
I
And you
sometimes eat pizza.
sometimes eat it. Mia, sorry, I didn't get it. When my mom buys it? Yes. When your mom buys it, orders it? Yes. Okay. When my mom buys it, all right, Mia? Okay. We eat it, all right? Okay. All right. So there you go, Mia. Okay, so that's it for this activity. Did you understand? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, next page now. Let us read a story, Mia. Okay. So it says here, what? It's Tina's story. Tina's favorite food. Before this, Mia, let's talk about the picture. What can you see again here?
I could see a boy, a girl, a and a and a and a plate of pizza.
Oh, yeah, you can see a boy, a girl, and a plate of pizza. Very nice. All right. And they're having pizza, Mia, right? Okay. They're happy to have pizza. Like, yummy. You know what? It makes me hungry. Our topic, our lesson makes me hungry, Mia. Okay. All right. Now let us read, Mia. I want you to read it for me. Okay. Let's start, Mia. Title? Start with this one. Tina's story. Can you say?
Tina's story. My favorite
Yes.
food. Out of all the foods, pizza is definitely my favorite. It is an Italian dish. It is made with pizza dough, cheese, and different toppings. You
Right.
can eat pizza with cheese powder or hot sauce.
All
I
right.
eat pizza at least once a month.
All
I usually
right.
have it delivered at home.
All
Sometimes
right.
I eat at a pizzeria with my friends. My favorite
Right.
type of pizza is cheese crust pizza.
All
When I'm
right.
hungry, I can eat a pizza or slice it. I also love to eat pizza.
Oh, I can relate to this one. When I'm hungry, I can eat up to 3 slices only. I cannot eat a lot. I can only 3, up to 3 slices. Okay, so there you go, Mia. Let us just read this word. I want you to repeat, Mia. Say it,
Italy,
Italian.
Italian.
Yeah, not Italy, Italian. Okay, Mia. All right. Pizza is an Italian dish. All right. Okay, there you go, Mia. Okay, so what else? Okay, this word, Mia. Say definitely.
Definitely.
Definitely. All right, Mia. Okay, there you go, Mia. All right, so now let us answer some questions, okay? Question, Mia. According to the story, what is pizza made?
Pizza is made from pizza dough, cheese, and different
Yeah.
toppings.
Yeah, pizza dough, cheese, and different toppings. What toppings are those, Mia? What is your favorite pizza topping, Mia?
Is
What do you like on your pizza? I
cheese.
like cheese.
I like cheese
What else?
and
Oh,
sausages.
sausages. Right? Okay. On my pizza. Teacher likes, of course, cheese, pepperoni, uh, mushroom, and what I call it? Pineapple. Have you tried pizza with pineapple, Mia?
No.
Oh, really? Oh, it's good. We call it Hawaiian pizza. Let's find a picture, okay? It has cheese and a lot of
Okay.
pineapple and ham toppings. It's good. It's a little sweet. Yeah. All right. Haven't you tried? No? You haven't tried? Ah, okay. One more time. Have you tried pizza with pineapple slices? No,
No.
I haven't.
Have it.
Do you think it's delicious? Would you like to try this? Would you
Not
like to?
really delicious because I didn't like pineapple much. Because
Ah,
that was.
ah, you should try, Mia. You will like it. All right. Okay, there you go, Mia. Oh, and my favorite is pepperoni pizza. Wait a minute, teacher's typing. I love pepperoni because it's a little salty. All right, Mia. So much. I like it so much. With some mozzarella cheese. I like my cheese this way, stretchy.
Yes, I also like mozzarella.
Mozzarella cheese, right? Because it's fun when you stretch the cheese, right? Eek. Right? Okay, next question, Mia. How often does Tina eat pizza?
She always eat, she eats pizza
Hmm.
at
How,
least once a month.
yeah, at least once a month, right, Mia? Okay, at least once a month. Okay, there you go, Mia. Okay, so next, let's read again. Number 1, what is pizza made of? Please say pizza.
Pizza is made with pizza dough, cheese, and different toppings.
And how often does Tina eat pizza?
She eats pizza at least once a month.
All right, me too. Once a month. Burger once a month. Pizza once a month, Mia. Okay? Yes. All right. There you go, Mia. All right. Good job. Good girl, Mia. Next page now. What is the next page? Okay, this one. Page 8. Okay, so let's write it here below. Dun. Okay, so we are going to answer some questions, some exercises. You will look at the pictures and complete the sentences using the words in the box. All right? Okay, let us read first the words so that we have an idea what they are. Okay, let's start with the first one, Mia. Can you read for me?
Croissant, French, curry, Indian, hamburger, American,
Right.
pizza, Italian,
Italian. Right.
taco, Mexican, sweet and sour pork, Chinese,
Right.
sushi, Japanese, Bulgogi, Korean.
Korean. Okay, so we will answer this way, Mia. You will copy, follow this pattern. Number one, let's read the example. Pizza.
Pizza is an Italian dish.
All right, it's an Italian dish. How about this? What is this, Mia?
Curry is
Curry
is from it. Curry is an Indian dish.
is an Indian dish. Have you tried curry, Mia?
No.
Ah, really? I haven't, but they say it's good. Number three, how about this?
A hamburger is an is an American dish.
Yeah, it's an American dish. Okay, next. Number four.
Bulgogi is from
Yes.
Korean. Bulgogi is
Is
a Korean dish.
a Korean dish. Okay. Wait a minute. Teacher is typing. If you want to, you can also write it on your book, Mia.
Teacher,
Yes.
why did you write bulgogi is a Korean dish?
It's Korean. Because we follow this one, Mia, okay? Nay, nay. Right? Okay. Is it right? Mm-hmm. Oh, you follow this way too. Okay. All right. Next, Mia, number five. What is it?
A croissant is
Yeah.
an is a French dish.
Yeah, it's a French dish. All right. Okay, you know what? Croissant is actually a pastry. Do you know pastry, Mia? Do you know pastry?
No.
Okay, pastry is again, take two. Pastry is actually bread. Okay, Mia? Yeah. Pastry is uh a little or actually sweet bread, Mia. Okay? Understand? Let's find a picture of some pastries. I love pastries, Mia. Okay. Croissant is a pastry. This one. These are pastries. All right, Mia, can you see? These are examples. So I want you to write it down if you want to. There you go. All right, so these are kinds of pastries, Mia. Look here, croissant, right? Mm. Yeah, and other French pastries, right, Mia? Okay. I don't know how to read them. I might make mistakes reading them, but these are the
Pizza.
examples.
Pizza. I like macaronis.
Where? Which one? Here, number 8. I love that too. Mia. Mm. Okay, wait a minute. Is this what you mean to say? Is there macaroni? Oh, wait a minute. There's no macaroni. You said macarons. Oh, I heard macaroni. Macarons. Yeah, it's a French pastry. Okay, how do you say that, Mia? I love macarons.
I love macarons
All
because
right.
because 2 months
Mm,
ago,
mm.
I mean last year, I have a macaron. It's so
Oh,
yummy
so
and it's
yum.
sweet.
And sweet and crunchy. Yum yum. Right, Mia? Oh, I had macarons like I can't remember. 5 years? Mia, let's find a picture. Yeah, and they look cute, Mia, because it comes in different colors, right? There's
And,
pink.
and a different flavors too.
Ah, you're right. And in different flavors too, right? Oh, so cute. I love to eat them, Mia. All right. Okay, Mia, I did not notice the time. Can we take a break and be back at 10:30? Okay. Sorry, Mia. We have to cut the lesson, the class. Be back at 10:30, okay? See you later, Mia. Wait a minute. Bye-bye. See you in a bit.
Bye, bye, teacher.
Bye-bye. See you later.